this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem promo codes here in Raid Shadow Legends on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, on an iPhone, this is going to work a little bit differently compared to any other device like an Android or a PC. Essentially, get loaded into Raid Shadow Legends, and up in the top left from this little area right here, you need to select your profile picture. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this, where you need to select info just like so. From here, you're going to see your player ID on here. Go ahead and select copy ID, and then you need to back out of Raid Shadow Legends on your device. So back out of it, open up a web browser of your choice, and what you need to search for is going to be Plarium promo code. The very first link here is what you need to select. Select it though, and it's going to take you directly to a page that looks like this. We're going to see the option to enter in a player ID. Go ahead and select that, and then go ahead and just paste in that player ID. And then from here, you just need to go ahead and type in whatever promo code it is that you're trying to enter in. The process really is as simple as that. After you do that, hit confirm. And then from here, what I would recommend doing is just closing out of Raid Shadow Legends and then opening it back up just to reset it. And then you'll see your rewards immediately on here once you do that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.